So number 7 says, which expression is equivalent to 9 minus negative 5? So because it is a multiple choice question, we're going to use raise. We just read the question. Because we're dealing with positives and negatives and operations, it is an NS question type. I is to identify the key facts. Really, the only key fact we have is this expression here. So we're going to identify key facts there. So S is to show you a strategy. Now there's two. Because we're dealing with a subtraction question, you could either use keep, change, or you could use your calculator to see which of these, first of all, what this equals, and then find out which of these choices has the same exact value. And that's exactly what this word equivalent means. It just means equal to. So let's start with KCC. I'm gonna erase this real quick. I'm gonna zoom in and then drop lines around it. This will be K, C, C. This 9 is going to be kept the same. So that is just going to be 9. This minus will become plus, and this negative 5 becomes positive 5. So we're really just looking for 9 plus 5, and 9 plus 5 just equals 14. So we're looking for an expression that is equal to 14. We could see if we find the expression first. We're looking for 9 plus 5 and see if that's in our choices, and that's actually choice D, so we're done. If we look at choice A does not give us 14. Negative 5 plus 9, if we do that in the calculator, that will end up giving you positive 4. So that's not it. Choice B, 5 plus negative 9, that will give you negative 4, which is also not what we're looking for. C, negative 9 plus negative 5 will give you negative 14. And that is not the same as choice D, which is 9 plus 5, which is equal to 14, which is exactly what we are looking for. So again, we just showed our strategy. E is to pick a main distractor, and the main distractor I would say here has to be choice C. And again, choice C, because students are confusing the positive value with the negative value. So positive value with negative value. So that is question 7. Let's move on to the last question, which is question 8. And this is all a calculator question. So even though it's multiple choice, as always, we'll start with raise. We'll read the question. What is the value of 1/5 minus negative 3/4? We're dealing with negative and positive fractions, so that is an NS question type. Identify key facts. This expression is really the only fact that we have. S, show our strategy. Really for this one, we're just going to use a calculator. And remember, to put fractions in the calculator, you're going to just hit the ABC button. So we'll put 1 ABC5, that's 1/5, minus 3 ABC4 negative equals 19/20. Which is our answer, choice A. And I would say the main distractor would be choice C. So main distractor, choice C. Confuse positive answer with negative answer. Okay, I hope this helps. If you have any questions, you're more than welcome to send me an email. Make sure that you show all your work. Make sure you show raise and show all your steps.